Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
IBM Back-End Development Lecture 9. IBM Back-End Development. Testing and debugging. The importance of quality assurance. Unit testing. Ensuring functionality and reliability. Test-driven development (TDD), a proactive approach to quality assurance debugging techniques and tools. Strategies for troubleshooting code. Writing test cases and test suites. Best practices for quality assurance. Code quality and code review processes. Collaborating for success. Conclusion. Testing and debugging. The importance of quality assurance. Conclusion. Software development is a complex process that involves many different stages, from planning and design to implementation and deployment. One of the most important aspects of this process is testing and debugging, which helps ensure that the code works as intended and meets the requirements of the project. Quality assurance is a critical component of testing and debugging, as it involves systematically checking the code for errors and defects. This process helps identify issues early on, before they can cause problems down the line, by emphasizing quality assurance in software development. Developers can build more reliable and robust applications that meet the needs of their users. Unit testing, ensuring functionality and reliability. Unit testing is a method of testing individual units or components of code to ensure that they function as expected and meet the required specifications. By testing each unit in isolation, developers can identify and fix issues early in the development process, which helps ensure the overall functionality and reliability of the code. Test-driven development (TDD), a proactive approach to quality assurance. Test-driven development (TDD) is a proactive approach to quality assurance that involves writing tests before writing code. By taking this approach, developers can be more confident in the functionality and reliability of their code, as they are constantly testing it throughout the development process. Debugging techniques and tools. Strategies for troubleshooting code. Debugging is an essential part of software development, and there are various techniques and tools that developers can use to troubleshoot code and identify issues. One common technique is using print statements to output the values of variables at different points in the code. This can help developers pinpoint where the issue is occurring and what values are causing the problem. Another technique is stepping through the code line by line using a debugger, which allows developers to see how the code is executing and identify any errors or unexpected behavior. Writing test cases and test suites. Best practices for quality assurance. When it comes to ensuring code quality, writing effective test cases and test suites is essential. Thorough testing can help identify issues early on in the development process, saving time and resources in the long run. But what makes a good test case or test suite? First and foremost, it's important to ensure that your test cases cover all possible scenarios and edge cases. This means thinking carefully about the inputs and outputs of your code and testing them rigorously. Additionally, it's important to make sure that your tests are repeatable and reliable. Code quality and code review processes. Collaborating for success. Code quality is a critical aspect of software development, and one that requires a collaborative effort to achieve. By working together to establish code review processes, developers can ensure that their code meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Effective code review processes involve not only identifying and fixing bugs, but also improving the overall structure and readability of the code. This requires a willingness to provide constructive feedback and a commitment to continuous improvement. Conclusion. Code quality and code review processes are integral to maintaining a high standard of code in the development team. Regular code reviews faster collaboration, enhance code readability, and improve the overall software architecture. By embracing these principles and practices, software development teams can deliver high-quality, reliable, and maintainable products that meet user expectations and contribute to the success of the organization. Effective testing and debugging are essential components of the software development life cycle that must be prioritized to achieve the excellence in software engineering. In conclusion, the topics covered in testing and debugging play a crucial role in ensuring the quality and reliability of software applications. Unit testing and test-driven development (TDD) provide a proactive approach to catching defects early in the development process and building a strong flow. Debugging techniques and tools are essential for identifying and resolving issues that may arise during development or in production. They empower developers to troubleshoot effectively and improve the overall robustness of the software. Writing comprehensive test cases and test suites is vital for thorough testing and validation of the application's functionality. It helps in identifying potential bugs and ensures that the software meets the specified requirements.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.